Hello guys, thank you for coming back to our road to the full stack. We just started today. We're gonna finish the third part of our applied visual design. Sorry about being a little bit late, let's say. I was moving in the country a little bit, and I got a little bit tired and I catch a cold or something like that. I couldn't actually speak a lot, but I'm gonna do my best and keep it going. I'm gonna do my best and keep it going. Don't worry about that. So we're currently with the create movement using the CSS animation. Give me one quick second, I just want to check if everything is working accordingly and with the audio and everything. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for that. It looks like the audio is working, and we're gonna get started. So let's see. When elements have a specified position, such as fixed or relative, the CSS offset properties right, left, top and bottom can be used in animation rules to create movement. As shown in the example below, you can push the item downwards, then upwards by setting the top property to 50% keyframe to 50 pixels, but having it set to 0 pixels for the first 0% and the last 100%. I don't remember. I presume we already done this. Yeah, we've done it already, exactly. So add an horizontal motion to the div animation. Let's see. Div animation. I don't know. Okay, so left offset property, we used it here. Left, left, and left. Okay. Run the test and let's go. Still didn't change my mouse. I'm still on the laptop touchpad, but I'm gonna do my best and relate with that. Okay, guys. So let's see. Create visual direction by fading an element from left to right. For this challenge, you change the opacity of an animated element so it gradually fades as it reaches the right side of the screen. In the displayed animation, the round element with the gradient background moves to the right by the 50% mark of the animation per keyframe rules. Target the element with the ID of ball and add opacity property set to 0.1 at 50%, so the element fades as it moves to the right. Yeah, so if we remember correctly, the opacity is between 0 and 1. Let's see, ID ball, it's there, 50%, yeah. Let's see, opacity, 0.1. And if we're gonna make it 0.5, almost 0.9, it stays almost the same. Let's do here 5.5. I think it's a better color, the 5.5, but don't mind me. Okay, let's see. Okay, oh, I forgot to change it to 0.1 once again. And control enter, that's great. Yeah, there case. I like this one. I remember. I've done a little bit in these couple of days because I didn't want it to get rusty. And let's see. The previous challenges covered how to use some of the animation properties. So this is gonna be for the animate elements continually using an infinite animation count. Okay. Let's see, here's an example. Animation iteration count 3. It's gonna run 3 times, but it's possible to make the animation run continuously by setting that value to infinite. To keep the ball bouncing on the right, on a continuous loop, change the animation duration count property to infinite. Let's do it. Infinite. 9 seconds. No, that's too slow-mo. Let's see, 3 seconds. No, 2.6. Yeah, that's more real to life, let's say. Okay. Yes, baby. Make a CSS heartbeat using an infinite animation count. So here's one more continuous animation example with the animation iteration count property that uses the heart you designed in the previous challenge. The 1 second long heartbeat animation consists of 2 animated pieces. The heart elements, including before and after pieces, are animated to change size using the transform property, and the background div is animated to change its color using the background property. Keep the heart beating by adding animation iteration count property for both the back class and the heart class, and setting the value to infinite. The heart before and after selectors do not need any animation property. So we're gonna make animation iteration count. It's like Pink Floyd. Infinite animation iteration animation iteration count infinite. Pink. Let's see, pink minus, okay. Scale. Transform scale 1. Let's put scale, not here, let's put the scale 1. It's nice. Okay. Animate elements at variable rates. There's a variety of ways to alter the animation rates of similarly animated elements. So we've applied animation iteration count and set up the keyframe rules. We're gonna illustrate 2 stars, the size and opacity at 20% mark and keyframe. Okay. Alter the animation rate for the element with the class name star1 by changing its keyframes rules to 50%. Keyframe. Twinkle 1. So I'm gonna change it here. 50%. Let's see. That's done. That's nice. Animate multiple elements at variable rates. You can achieve the same goal by manipulating the animation duration of multiple elements. In the animation running in the code editor, there are 3 stars in the sky that twinkle at the same rate on a continuous loop. To make them twinkle at different rates, you can set the animation duration property to different values for each element. So let's gonna set animation duration star 1, 2, and 3 to 1, 0.9, and 1.1. So the 1 it's good, 0.9 and 1.1. Okay, let's see, control enter, that's great. Yeah guys, and I had a lot of headache these days. I don't know, sleeping something like 3 hours, being with my daughter, also working. I've been working from 10 a.m. up until midnight since Monday, and today also I'm gonna work up until midnight. I'm just taking a quick break because I thought about you guys and I didn't wanted to leave the things like that. And I said, let's do it. At least 3 videos per week. I'm gonna do my best and do that. And in the spare time that I have during my breaks, I'm gonna see if I can record something, and also I'm gonna upload it a little bit later. I don't know if I can stream it. I will not have time to edit it, but I'm gonna check out to see if I can do that as best as I can. Okay, guys, let's see. Change animation timing with keywords. So in CSS animations, the animation timing function property controls how quickly an animated element changes over the duration of the animation. So let's say it's a car moving from point A to B. In your animation duration, the animation timing function says how the car accelerates and decelerates over the course of the drive. For example, the default value is ease, which starts slow, speeds up, then slows down again. We have like ease out, quick in the beginning, slows down, ease in, slow in the beginning, speeds up, and linear, which applies a constant animation speed. And animation timing function, set ball 1 to linear and ball 2 to ease out. Animation timing function, we're gonna put it linear, and here we're gonna put it ease out. Nice, both of them reach at the same time. That's physics. Okay, guys. Learn how Bezier curves work. Sounds nice. Bezier or Bezier. I don't really know how we're gonna read that. So Bezier curves are used with the cubic Bezier function. The shape of the curve represents how the animation plays out. The curve lives on a 1 by 1 coordinate system. The x-axis of this coordinated system is the duration of the animation. Think of it as a time scale. and the y-axis is the change in the animation. The cubic Bezier function consists of 4 main points that sit on this 1x1 grid. P0, 1, 2, and 3. P0 and 3 are set for you, the beginning and the end. And you send the x and y values for the other 2 points. Animation timing function 0 to 5, 0 to 5, 0. So this is gonna be the xy, xy. For in the example above, the x and y values are equivalent for each point. X1 equals 0.25 equals to y1. Okay. This animation is a linear change of an element during the length of the animation. For the element with ID ball1, change the value of the animation timing function property from linear to its equivalent cubic. Okay, so we're gonna copy and paste basically. Let's see, paste. Working accordingly. So use a Bezier curve to move a graphic. Is out. So cubic Bezier 0. So it's accelerating. To see the effect of the Bezier curve in action, okay, ID element of red, x1, y1, x2, z. So basically, copy and paste. Where is the red? Let's see if you're gonna put here 1. Oh, that's fast. Make motion more natural using a Bezier curve. So, okay. Since there is a keyframe rule set in the middle of the animation duration at 50%, it results in 2 identical animation progressions at the upward and downward movement of the ball. Change value timing, okay, the green one. Let's see, green. And we finished the applied visual design, guys. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Now we're in applied accessibility, the first part. From what I saw, this is a little bit not long, but there's a lot to read. There's a lot to read about it. And we're gonna do our best to see where we're gonna arrive. Let's see, guys. Add a text alternative to images for visually impaired accessibility. Sorry about this, guys. I'm gonna mute myself a couple of seconds. Everything is working? Qu'est-ce que je t'ai Je t'ai dit que je travaille. Quand tu vois que je travaille, qu'est-ce que je t'ai dit? Qu'est-ce que tu as joué? Je voulais pas te frapper. Excuse. Donne-moi quoi. Je voulais pas te frapper. Excuse. Tu restes ici avec toi. Tu vas pas jouer à Roblox. Je t'ai frappé sur le nez. Scusa. Allez, tu vas rester ici avec Tati, ok? D'accord? Je te donne pour écrire? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Je te laisse encore 15 minutes, ça y est. Va au lit. 15 minutes et ça y est. Vingt minutes. Hello guys, thank you for your patience. Sorry about that. Yeah, how I've been telling you, it's a little bit long because we need to read a lot of text. I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna skip the text, and we're gonna go directly to the tests, and we're gonna see what we can change. Okay, guys. Let's see. Camper Cat happens to be both a ninja coding and an actual ninja who is building a website to share his knowledge. The profile picture he wants to use shows his skills and should be appreciated by all site visitors. Add an alt attribute in the image tag that explains Camper Cat is doing karate. The image source doesn't link to an actual file, so you should see the alt text in the display. And okay, so we're gonna do alt. Sorry about that. Camper Cat is Ninja Master. That's good. Okay, let's see. Know when alt text should be left blank. So Camper Cat has coded a skeleton page for the blog part of his website. He's planning. Okay, add an alt attribute to the image tag and set it to an empty string. Okay, that's pretty easy. That's all. Headings. Okay. Let's see, guys. Camper Cat wants a page on his site dedicated to becoming a ninja. Help him fix the headings. Change all the H5 tags to the proper heading level to indicate they are subsections of the H2 ones. Use H3 tags for the purpose. Okay. I need to learn how to change this. Let's see. No, it's not working. Okay. 3. Now I needed the mouse. Let's see. Okay, H3, 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 and H3. Control Enter, and that's great. Okay, guys, let's see, jump straight to the content using the main element. See how much we're gonna keep it 5 minutes longer. Still do. I'm beginning to feel the heat and the headache. Sorry about that. I'm just not feeling so great. And I'm just waiting to feel a lot better. Let's see what we need to do. Campercat has some big ideas for his ninja weapons page. Help him set up his markup by adding opening and closing main tags between header and footer. Covered in other change. Keep the main tags empty. Main tags. Let's see. He wants this. I'm not really sure. Yeah. Yeah, I think I know it. I think I understand. Let's see. Wrap content in the article element. So article is another one of the HTML5 elements that adds semantic meaning to your markup. Article is sectioning element and is used to wrap independent, self-contained content. The tag works well with blog entries, forum posts, or news articles. Note, the section element is also new and has a slightly different semantic meaning than article. Okay. An article is for standalone content, section for grouping thematically related content. For example, if a book is the article, then each chapter is a section. When there's no relationship between groups of content, then use a div. Div, group content, section, group related content, article, groups independent, self-contained content. So Campercat used article tags to wrap the posts on his blog page, but he forgot to use them around the top one. Change the div tag to use an article tag instead. Guys, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm not feeling good at all. And normally this was my break from work, let's say. And in 30 minutes I need to start once again. I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna save it like this for now. We have only 28 minutes. Sorry that we didn't manage to do a little bit